If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our new videos. A few days back, Jeff, who's one of our YouTube channel subscribers, has submitted to us a new strategy with few rules and asked us to test it for him and share our feedback. The strategy is supposed to make you profitable the whole time. Well, thanks for the strategy, Jeff, and I hope this video will answer your question. The strategy is pretty interesting as it's based on the Martingale concept, which is about doubling your trade size when you lose. Think about it as being in a casino and losing your bet, so you go for another round with a double reward in order to recover the money you lost and eventually make some profit afterward. As usual, we will start off by describing the strategy with some examples, then begin backtesting. Once done, we will reveal the results and share with you our recommendations about the strategy and whether you should use it to trade Forex, stocks, or any financial investment market. Alright, let's describe the strategy. I know it might seem a little bit confusing, but we can look at it this way. We place a buy order with 1 micro lot. If the price goes down, we then enter another buy order at 2 micro lots. If the price continues down, we place a third order with a volume of 3 micro lots. Well, we'll continue the same thing until the price reverses and we recover our loss. We add an additional micro lot every time the price goes down. Then we exit all the trade either at the break-even stage or after making some profit. We already understood that Martingale's strategy is to increase the bet after each loss. Let's look at the second scenario. In this case, we went short with a volume size of 0.01, but the price continued its bullish trend. So, we go short again with 2 micro lots, and we keep on increasing the volume size if the price continues going against us. At the end of the day, we exit as soon as the price does a pullback, which is important enough for us to break even or make a certain profit. Let us know in the comments section if you have any questions about the strategy. Alright, let's look at a live example from the chart. We go long here with 1 micro lot volume size. We can notice that the price goes against us. No worries, we will place a second order if the price continues its downward trend. Seems like the price is going against us. Let's place a second buy order with 2 micro lots this time. Hopefully, we will get a good pullback, which will allow us to break even or end up making some profit. Let's watch and see what happens. While waiting, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content. This is, by the way, our take profit level, which will allow us to exit the 2 trades either with break even or a small profit. It depends on the volatility of the market. Awesome, we have just hit the take profit. So to recap, we lost 10 cents in order 1, then we got 40 cents profit from the second trade, so overall we exited the 2 orders with a profit of 30 cents. Alright, let's look at another example. We can notice that a sell order has been triggered. The price will either go down and hit the take profit or reverse up. In case of a pullback, a second sell order will be triggered at a double volume size. Anyways, let's watch and see what would happen next. We are trading the Euro-USD currency pair here. You can notice that the spread is pretty high at the moment. Will this affect the success rate of this strategy or not? Let's find out after we complete the backtesting process. The price is heading towards the take profit level. Great, it has just hit it. Since we were targeting 10 pips, we have made 10 cents. So far the 2 orders we placed are both profitable, but that's not enough. Let's backtest the strategy now. Easier and more accurate, we will be using an expert advisor which is designed for this strategy. It's a Martingale expert advisor. It has various flexible inputs such as the lot size, take profit level, slip value, and even a possibility to use a trailing stop loss. We will backtest this strategy on the Euro-USD Forex pair as per the request of Jeff and use a balance of $1,000. The time frame we will select is 15 minutes and choose a time interval of 1 year. The expert advisor will place orders according to one of the strategies we have covered previously on this channel. Alright, let's run the backtesting process now. It's always important to enable the visual mode in order to see how the strategy performs and spot any irregularity or areas of improvement. It's time to go grab some good coffee as we need to analyze the results once the backtesting process is over. Backtesting is one of the most important aspects of developing a trading strategy or expert advisor. If created and interpreted properly, it can help traders optimize and improve their trading strategies, explore any technical or theoretical flaws, and gain enough confidence in their strategy. Remember to use your demo account first before moving to your real account. By the way, please note that our objective is testing the strategies you submit to us via our website. We don't endorse a strategy, even if the backtesting process goes well. Great, we have just finished backtesting the strategy. Let's review the graph to see whether we made some profit or end up losing our balance. Well, apparently the strategy was profitable and our balance has increased. However, we can notice a significant drawdown recorded at this stage, and it resulted in losing a part of our initial balance. Let's look at the detailed report, then we will return to find out the reason behind the spectacular drop in equity. These are the details of the backtesting process. We can notice that the drawdown is super high, which is around 42%, despite the fact that we have made a profit of $183. It is actually a good yearly return on investment. We have made 5 consecutive wins. The overall win rate is above 70%, which is the highest we ever recorded on our channel. To sum up, the figures are mostly positive. But the biggest challenge here is the drawdown. If we had a smaller balance or we started with a higher volume size, I am sure the results would be totally different. But what if we manage to optimize the strategy and improve the drawdown? Let's first see what's the reason behind the large drop in equity that we went through at the beginning of the backtesting process. We need to go to the Results tab and try to locate the largest loss we experienced throughout the backtesting process. Once we find it, we need to look at the date first in order to see whether the loss is due to some major news release or other fundamental factors. We can see that the largest loss was recorded on the 12th March 2021. Feel free to pause the video and let me know in the comment section what reason you believe is behind this drop. Well, I am sure you got it right, especially if you are one of our old subscribers. Let's go to the Forex Factory website to see what happened on the 12th March 2021. We can notice that positive Canadian labor figures have been released on the 12th, which is the reason why the Euro USD was bearish. Due to the negative correlation between the loonie and Euro USD, since Canada is the second largest economic partner of the United States. Other than that, when we check the event calendar on the 11th, we can see that the euro currency pairs were subject to the release of the monetary policy statement by the European Central Bank. This was the day where we made the largest loss. After we went through the other losing trades, we noticed that major macroeconomic events were mostly the reason behind some of the losing trades that we recorded. Basically, when important news is released, the price of a Forex pair, or even a stock, would tend to record a significant spike. If we went against it, our only way to break even is when the price makes a pullback, but if it doesn't, we might run out of balance and get a margin call. So what would happen if we use this strategy throughout the year, but we avoid placing orders during major news? Are we gonna make more profit? Do you want us to make a follow-up video where we continue optimizing this expert advisor and share it with you at the end? Let us know in the comments section and hit the thumbs up to let us know that you are interested.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Get this bonus custom indicator. The link to get it is in the description. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more special custom indicators. This is a trend buy and sell custom indicator and it is very powerful. Share this video and make you subscribe to get lot of EA and custom indicators.